Morning, morning. Well, it looks like the weatherman was right. It's been raining around here since about 3 in the morning, off and on. The day itself is going to be a little iffy. We might lay low today. We'll see how it goes. Alrighty. We're going to go see if we can find us some ice. Okay, maybe someone at the visitor center knows where there's a supermarket. Visitor center was closed for lunch. Doesn't that just figure? Well, let's go explore. And here we are. Well, it is a real laid-back day today. We are sitting around doing a whole bunch of nothing. It's the way God intended it. So, needless to say, I did locate some ice, and all is well in Sector 3. Well, so far we've been pretty fortunate today. The sun is actually out. They called for thunderstorms this afternoon, but we have not had any so far, or as of yet. It did rain some during the day, and that was to be expected, and all is well. You know what? Tonight I am feeling the need for some pie iron pizza. Oh yeah, that's what we're having for dinner. Well, there's still rain and thunderstorms in the forecast for this evening, so tonight we're going to cheat and we're going to rock us a Duraflame log. Modern technology. Simply amazing. Alright, I got my ingredients together and I'm about ready to make me some dinner. So, I'm going to preheat the iron on the grill. We'll give it a flip. And now, to create our masterpiece. And this little bad boy is going to the fire. Oh, and yeah, there is a skill to this. You have to keep flipping them and checking them, especially if you're doing this in a campfire or on coals. They can cook very, very fast, or sometimes on the grill they can take a little bit of time. So it's an art that you got to perfect, and you know what? It is well worth it. Alrighty, we're going to call this one done. Alright, this is very important. When you take these off, you have got to let them sit for like 5 to 7 minutes before you even attempt to eat them, because they are extremely hot and will burn you. Alright, so there's your finished product. And right now, there is nobody happier than me. Alrighty, well, we were blessed with a really great day. While it did rain some, the thunderstorms seem to have held off, and we haven't gotten any downpours. And, well, we'll see what the night brings. We might get some rain, we might not. But, hey, another day down, tomorrow's another day. Man, I love those parrots. Well, today we are waking up to rain. Well, looks like the rain has left us for now, so I'm getting myself out hiking because there's a couple of sections around here that I have not done yet and I want to get to before I leave, so let's get to it. Alright, let's get this show on the road. Alrighty, we're going to try and find the back way in and get us up to the Summit Loop Trail. That's what I want to do today. So, we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, we're in. We're going to take the Stream Loop Trail to the Summit Loop Trail, which is a 3-mile trail, and I don't know how much I got to walk in to get there, but we'll figure it out. Hopefully it'll be a nice day. There's still a chance of a thunderstorm. Hey, who knows? Well, I stand corrected. We're going to take the Stream Loop to the Discovery Loop, then to the Summit Loop. So we should be looking at a good couple miles today. Hope we survive. Alright, we have found the Discovery Loop Trail, and here we go. Very interesting. Seems like there's more things coming into bloom today than there was 2 days ago. Pretty cool. And today we're sporting a new pair of ex officio hiking pants. These are non-convertible. We'll let you know how they do. This looks familiar. And we're heading up to the Summit Trail. Alright, now I got a choice to make. Do I take the trail this way and do an easy elevation, or do I take the trail back that way, which I believe is a harder elevation? Screw it. Let's go the hard way. Alrighty, we are heading up. Alright, well, we had a small elevation there, and now we're at what I'm going to affectionately call Cardiac Hill. This is the thing that almost killed me on Monday. The camera doesn't do it justice, but remember, I'm an old, overweight man. Oh, here we go. Well, I made it to the top of Cardiac Hill. I think I did a little better this time than on Monday, but we'll see if I have a heart attack. I'm too old for this crap. Alright, we're going to start the Summit Loop Trail. It's supposed to be 3 miles. I want to see if there's an actual summit. So, here we go. Well, I don't know. This may be the high point. I'm not sure. Now, this trail looks more like a road than anything else, but we'll see where it ends out. It looks like there's a little split here, and we're going to be going to the right and getting off this, I don't know, road or whatever. So, onward and outward. Well, this is kind of way out in the woods. This one was 5 years old. I guess I've stumbled on the resting place of part of the Vincent family. Alrighty, we found a little detour here, so we're going to go off trail for a bit. Alright, so that little detour kind of went nowhere. It was fun though. Back on the trail. Aw, isn't love grand? We have got a lot of laurel trees on this little spot of the trail. Nice rock. And we're back to this junction. Alrighty, I'm going to add insult to injury and take what I believe is the slightly longer way back. I dated a girl named Holly once. Alrighty, let's take it back towards the shelter. And once more we emerge from the woods. Well, okay, we're back. And to tell you the truth, I'm a little surprised. Because, I don't know if you can read that, but it says basically 6.1 miles. I didn't think I'd walk that far in about, I don't know, I guess an hour and 20 minutes. 2 hours and 20 minutes, sorry. So, not bad for a fat old man. Not bad at all. Hey, what can I say? It's an easy lunch. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Well, alright. It is Wednesday, and we're rolling into the 5 o'clock hour. We were able to get some hiking done today. We were able to get some reading in. We played with the Traxxas a little bit. We have our campfire stoked and ready to go. And of course, it's happy hour. But then again, what hour isn't? Well, this is something I don't generally do. I'm going to hit it once for this trip. Here's to camping. Oh, now that is cooking good. Now this is what I am talking about. This is what it's all about. Okay, maybe twice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, this sucks. Alright guys, well it's time to put this trip in the books. We had a great time. I really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Till next time, get outdoors, enjoy yourself, enjoy your family, and happy trails.